What if your dream depended on just one broken shoe? Would you quit or would you run anyway? This is a story of Ravi, a boy who proved that success doesn't depend on what you have, but on what you do with what you have. Ravi was a just ordinary boy from a small town. His father worked as a daily wage laborer. His mother stitched their clothes to keep family alive. But Ravi had one extraordinary dream. He wanted to be a runner. There was just one problem. Ravi had only one pair of shoes, old, cracked, and stitched multiple times. Still, he practiced every morning, believing one day those shoes would carry him to victory. On the day of the school competition, Ravi stood the start the line, heart pounding with hope. But halfway through the race, his shoe ripped open. Everyone laughed. Some said, "How can a boy with a broken shoe win a race in life?" For a moment, Ravi wanted to quit, but then he remembered his mother's words. Son, we are poor, but never poor in courage. Ravi tied the shoe with a string, kicked it off, and decided to run barefoot. This time, Ravi didn't think about his shoes, his poverty, or the laughter. He thought only about the finishing line. He ran like his life depended on it. And he didn't just run, he flew. Ravi came first. Years later, Ravi became a national level athlete. In an interview, he smiled and said, "That day, when my shoe broke, I realized something is powerful. Success never depends on what you own. It depends only on how badly you want. Life will give you the broken shoes, broken dreams, and broken confidence. But your determination is unbreakable. Nothing can stop you. Remember, it is not about the shoes you wear, it is about the fire in your heart."